Since using Buildxact, we're able to take on a lot more work. We're able to look at a lot more jobs, do a lot more quotes, and because we can get these things out a lot quicker, we find that we're able to win a lot more jobs from it. My name's Travis Vanderway. My wife Carly and I own the Smith & Sons Renovations and Extensions in Shepparton. So I've been a builder for 10 years and recently joined the Smith & Sons team 2 years ago.
Smith & Sons is a renovation and extension specialist company. We're a franchise operation with 80 franchisees and we specialise in design and build renovations and extensions. Builders join Smith & Sons because often they come up against the same challenges. Usually they're very good builders, but there's a range of challenges that come up when you're out there on your own.
We offer a complete business solution to our franchisees, and Buildxact is a key component of that because it covers all of the aspects of a good business, from estimating, invoicing, all the way through to job tracking and cost control.
It was important to us that we could find something that helped our franchise partners from end to end. Buildxact ticked all those boxes for us.
When we first meet builders, we find that they're very time poor and they spend a lot of time late at night quoting up jobs, trying to beat the competition. But with Buildxact, what we're able to do is to speed up that process and make them a lot more accurate, putting them above the competition and allowing them to have greater success.
When we first started with Buildxact, we sat down with the trainer, went over the basics of the software, and then from there having a bit of a play around with it, we've been able to personalise it to our business needs.
It's easy to use, it's simple to use, it's intuitive to use. We can take someone in and in 2 hours of training, send them off and trust that they are able to put a simple quote together and turn that into a job and run it and invoice out. That's efficiency for us and that's excellent.
Before I started using Buildxact, I suppose I was doing what a lot of builders are still doing by the plans, the scale ruler, the calculators. Once we've started using Buildxact, I found with the takeoffs, we've been able to really speed up the process. Once you've got your recipe set up, you can really fly through an estimate.
The key benefits of using the job tracking software in Buildxact is that you have greater control over your projects and your business.
So during the job I can see my actuals versus budget.
You know what money's coming in, what's going out, invoices, where your trades are at, deliveries, etc.
Then at the end of the job, when we review our job, we can see how profitable we were.
So that allows you to run a better business, have greater control, and you can track that from anywhere around the world, from your phone, from your tablet.
Buildxact is easy to use and saves me a ton of time.